In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a go back button in card.co. This is a simple yet effective way to enhance navigation on your website, ensuring that visitors can easily return to the previous page they were viewing. Let's dive into it step by step. First, you'll need to head over to card.so and open the specific site you want to edit. If you're not familiar with Card, it's a versatile platform that allows you to create single page websites with ease. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard where all your sites are displayed. Select the one you're ready to work on and this will open up the card editor, which is straightforward and user-friendly. Once you're in the editor, look for the plus sign, often located in the sidebar. Clicking on this will give you several options to add elements to your page. From these, select Button. This action will place a new button onto your web page, and you'll see a panel with options for customizing it. Now let's set the label for your button. You can keep it simple by naming it Go Back. As an additional touch, you might consider using a left pointing emoji, which visually indicates that it leads backwards. It's a small detail but can make a significant difference in user experience by clearly communicating how the button functions. Next, you'll need to specify the action for this button. In the URL field, where you normally enter a link or address the button will redirect to, you will input a special JavaScript snippet. Type or paste JavaScript window.history.back. This piece of code is what makes your button function as a go back button. Essentially what it does is tell the browser to take the user to the previous page they visited within their current session. After you've set up your button and the corresponding action, it's time to wrap things up. Click the Done button on the panel to save your changes, but you're not finished just yet. Remember, these changes won't be visible to your audience until you publish them, so go ahead and publish your site. This step will push all your recent updates, making your new Go Back button live and available for everyone who visits your site. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you now have a functional Go Back button on your card site. It's a simple feature, yet it can significantly enhance the navigation experience for your users, encouraging them to explore your site more comfortably. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to stay tuned for more tips and tricks on optimizing your web presence with Card.